That's terrible. Today, I'm going to be using a Nacet blade and the Merkur 34c with 4 days of growth. Yep, 4 days there. So I've already got some shave soap lathered up. I'm using Sterling soap. And let me start lathering up. I've been getting quite a few comments on some of my videos. Everyone's saying that shave soap it looks dry on camera. So I'm gonna concentrate on that today, make sure it's not dry. Actually, I'm gonna add a little more soap. Add a little water. Okay, I definitely have some growth today. I mean, I'm getting peaks off where the soap is. I'm gonna call this lather good. And I'm gonna go in with the Merkur 34c. So first pass. Yeah, that Nacet's still pulling on it. Yeah. I mean, you guys see that? It's not even cutting it. I think I might. Yeah, there's. Yeah, that's terrible. All right, so I'm gonna switch to a feather blade because that's just not, I mean, that blade is just not, it's not for me. I mean, you can see it just doesn't cut. Blade gap looks good. So I'm gonna go over here and show you what a feather blade does for me in this Merkur. I mean, that's, you see that? Yeah, I'm even gonna rinse that off. Okay, see the difference compared to this side? I mean, yeah, there's still growth there, but this feather with this Merkur 34c just, I mean, rips through it. So I don't want a bad shave. I've got physical therapy today, so I want to finish it off with this feather. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a go. That's a shame. I mean, Okay, with the grain. Neck. Actually, I'm gonna put a little more down here because that does look like it's getting dry. All right, so I know for me, it's hard to get this angle on my neck. I don't know why. All right, let me rinse off and go over the first pass. Okay, so first pass with that Nacet over here, it wasn't doing the job. Look at the feather. One pass, Merkur 34c. Neck, and I always have to go 2 passes at least on my neck, so that's no biggie. And look, I don't have perfect skin. All right, so I'm gonna go in for the second pass. That just amazes me how much is left there. Forgot to cut that in. All right. All right. Second pass. Cut this in. Looks pretty good. All right, so we'll go with the cross grain now. Yeah, that's just a much better shape for my face using a feather blade. So yeah, I'm gonna have a giveaway for those because I won't be using those Nacet blades. I mean, I thought that the Astra blades were, these platinums. I thought these were, focus, I thought these were mild. No, not compared to these. These are very mild on my face. All right, so, cross grain neck. Okay. You know what I feel like? That Nacet blade is making me push. Or, how do I want to say it? Press harder on the razor, which in turn I'm going to cut my face. Yeah, for you younger guys, hell, that's a zit right there, and you can take a safety razor right over it and it's not going to cut it. Wish I started this a long time ago when I was a kid, because man, my face was a mess when I was a teenager. All right, let me rinse this off. All right, so second pass, beautiful. Still have some down here. That feather's gonna take it right off though. It's kind of nice to put that feather back in the Merkur 34c because it's one of my favorite blades. I have 100 of them as well. Yeah, let me go against the grain. Yeah, you can just hear that feather blade just ripping right into whatever's left, for facial hair, which is awesome. Here I don't really get the angle till up top. good. Yep. Some more on my neck here. Against the grain neck. Yeah, I mean, skipping a little bit, but it's cutting really good. And for me, feather blades, like usually after, you know, the first shave, I even like this razor better. Okay, let me rinse this off and, all right, so yeah, BBS up top, down below, and a little bit right there. Yep, perfect. Let me rinse that off. All right, let me take an alum block through this. So here's with the alum block. A little tingle underneath the jawline. A little bit right there. Yeah, not pretty good shave there actually. A little stinging, but you know, nothing major. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the Nivea. Just opened up my second bottle of this. All right. All right, so my conclusion, the Merkur 34c with the Gillette Nacet blade, not sharp enough for my face. Wasn't planning on switching to a feather blade from Japan, but I had to. You know, I have physical therapy later. Don't want to go in with, you know, a cut up face, and that's what I would have got. Gave up on that blade in the Merkur. It does work out well for me in the Rockwell 6C with the number 4 plate. I had a lot of comments on it. A lot of you guys love these Nacet blades. I think I'm probably going to give quite a few of them away. Probably going to have a giveaway. If you guys would like that, let me know in the comments below, and yeah, we can have a little raffle or whatever you want to call it. But hey, if you guys made it this far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you so much, and you guys have a great week.